Continue this video a little bit, and I didn't show you guys the motor. This is one of the most impressive parts of this car. So clean back here. I mean, every nook and cranny is just dialed way back. Everything is right. Thought I would mention this. This is all fiberglass. These deck lids are all fiberglass, so this isn't rust or anything. It's just, you know, the raw areas of fiberglass. They take dirt and soil and soot more than, you know, steel would. But God, is this deck lid in awesome shape. These are just prone to so many problems, and I've just never seen one this nice. Yeah, there's just no faults with it. Thanks again, guys.